Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you about how to change elevation on profile views. So on this drawing, we can see the elevation mean with the negative 3, and we can see the also this profile view. And so we have a lot of profile view, and we have to change to elevation mean with the value number 1, and I click VT tool and I click the change elevation on top profile view. And so these two options, I click min and I click the number one, and I select a lot of profile view on this drawing, and I click enter, and we can see the elevation mean or profile view to change.